I need one compressor.
Dogs. Me tell us last week, yeah, brag, but look, you that girl.
My youth, I said me sell the compressor comedy broke, man. Go cool.
Yeah. She be a car without AC.
I me sell it. She no know.
No, Chavas, we have to do better than this, dog. You
true,
can't do
man.
this, man.
Yo.
You hear from Famous, though?
Here for what? Me like have my phone, my youth. You know what my money, my youth?
Oh, come here, tell us them can't come on a movement, say dogs, cause me not buy no more money from me.
The money when me lend him, me coulda go buy a compressor, you know.
And we need a burn up. At 25,000 money, you know.
And that thing want me too.
Dogs, my youth.
Hey, whoa. Me jeez, wanna. Oh, you know, say you're so with it. Oh, you're so busy.
Me track car, me have GPS in here.
What that deal with?
Oh no, see me that call or no?
Yeah, my phone now working.
Me call it 200.3 last night, you know. My girlfriend lock it off because she know what me call about. Say me a cheat.
My phone just now working.
I chill, you know, want chill with me or what?
Yo, let's go.
Tell me, oh, where you go, you look so good.
I'm gonna DR, bro.
With the reflector shade.
Yo, me say me a compare with you today.
No,
out of
no, we want gas. We have to go push it here if you have to chill. He compressor gone, that's why.
Yeah, smell like dogs.
He compressor, bro.
Your poop.
No, man. Something smell bad out there, dogs. Famous, are you that?
No, man, I rubbish truck. You know, so a rubbish truck just drive past. Actually, win that thing down. Hey, me have a piece of story if you tell you no.
How?
Me say I have a piece of story if you give.
How you breathe? You breathe?
No.
Oh, the man fear me. How you talk, boy?
No.
You're not patient, man.
Oh, two.
Last night, remember, at 6, me say no. Chronic
Yeah,
Law,
7.
I'm a DJ.
Mm-hmm.
Me a listen to Chronic Law last night.
Hurry up.
Me say me no get a piece of sleep paralysis.
Paralysis.
Yes, that man.
When
me lie down in my bed so I can't move, Chavas. Me say me can't move. Me see one dopey come in for me nice.
Jesus
Dopey come in for me now, me couldn't move.
Where you talking about
Don't listen now. Imagine me lie down so I can't move. No, nice. Me say me have $5 on the bed.
That's why, you know.
$5 on the bed and the dopey take you up. The dopey thief me $5.
So you take my money too?
So you know what me do?
Where though?
Me buy 6 because dopey a 1.
Yeah.
Thief a 5.
Yeah.
And the $5. And me mommy that listen to Chronic Law 6. And me buy 6 and win the lotto.
You win?
Me win the lotto.
You win for it?
Yo, give me my money now. Come.
Me hat in my head back like
Give me money. Give me money. Give me money.
no man I say go man.
See for that side. Give me money now. Quick.
Yo, fix the AC.
Yeah man, we can fix the AC. How much for it?
25,000. Come.
A $40 me win.
Come on, take care.
What the bomb?
No, $40 me win.
Yeah, add to that, listen, I can. Come on, take care, Famous.
No.
Famous, come on, take care,
No,
Famous.
we no. I know that.
Me know me fit
I know that.
me
I know that.
surroundings.
I know that. Listen now. Me use the $40 and me buy a lotto. And me win the lotto. $50,000. Hey, me win the lotto, nice. Look, Panny. Match any 3 number and win 50.
50?
Match 3 any number and win 50.
Look at me.
Match 3 any and win 50.
Alright, so you know what? Me, I take my 25. You want to take care?
Yeah, man.
You want to take your 25.
Yeah, man.
So come on, take care. Our money this time.
You don't call me woman.
Come on,
Don't touch me. Where?
come on.
Go ahead and smell like poop. I want to move, man.
Get out the car.
Sure.
I got a flight to catch. I'm going to DR.
Badness.
How am team?
You know one of them tablecloth shirt.
50 grand we have.
Don't touch me.
Come on, take care. I don't know why he's still in here.
Yeah, watch out, dog.
50. Oh, yeah,
Might have enough money.
Grand.
Yeah, what me I go do?
Yo.
Me I go put some in the bank
Dog.
and I go and buy a compressor.
Yeah.
No.
Give me my money.
Give me the car. We are killing him.
Give me my car.
I breathe.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the buyer right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. And I mean, we have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a